Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's delve into using urllib3 in Arch Linux for making HTTP requests. This tutorial will cover installation, basic usage, advanced features, error handling, and some common scenarios. Prerequisites ****Arch Linux installation **** You need a working Arch Linux installation. This guide assumes you're familiar with basic Arch commands like pacman. Python *** Arch Linux usually comes with Python pre-installed. Check your version with Python version or Python 3 version. Ensure you have Python 3.6 or higher. ***pip, Python package installer. Pip is essential for installing urllib3 and other Python packages. If you don't have it, install it using pacman's python-pip. 1. Installation. The recommended way to install urllib3 in Arch Linux is using pip. Or, for a specific version. It's generally recommended to use pip within a virtual environment. This helps isolate your project's dependencies from the system-wide Python installation, preventing conflicts. Here's how to set up a virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment when you're done, simply run deactivate. 2. Basic usage, making a simple GET request. Let's start with a basic example of fetching a web page using urllib3. Explanation ****. Import urllib3, imports the urllib3 library. urllib3.pool manager, creates a connection pool manager. Pool manager handles connection pooling and reuse, making your requests more efficient. You should generally create one pool manager instance and reuse it for multiple requests. *http.request, get, https://www.example.com, this is the core part. It makes a GET request to the specified URL. The first argument is the HTTP method, get, post, put, delete, etc. The second argument is the URL. *response.status, contains the HTTP status code of the response, example 200 for OK, 404 for not found. *response.data, contains the response body as bytes. You need to decode it into a string using .decode. UTF-8 is the most common encoding, but you might need to use a different encoding, example Latin 1 or ISO 8859-1, depending on the server's response headers. *error handling, the try, except block is crucial for handling potential network errors, connection errors, and other exceptions that might occur during the request. urllib3.exceptions.max retry error is a specific exception raised when the maximum number of retries is exceeded. 3. Making a post request with data. Let's send some data to a server using a post request. Explanation ***. JSON.dumps, data.encode, UTF-8, converts the Python dictionary data into a JSON string and then encodes it as UTF-8 bytes. The body argument to http.request expects bytes. *headers equals content type, application/JSON, sets the content type header to indicate that the request body is in JSON format. This is important so the server knows how to parse the data. *hpbin.org/post, hpbin.org is a very useful service for testing HTTP requests. It simply echoes back the data you send it. *JSON.loads, response.data.decode, UTF-8, parses the JSON response body into a Python dictionary. 4. Uploading files. urllib3 makes it easy to upload files. Explanation ***io.bytes.io, b. This is the content of the file. Creates an in-memory file-like object. You can replace this with open, your_file.txt, RB, to read from a real file. The RB mode opens the file in binary read mode, which is important for uploading files correctly. *fields equals. The fields dictionary defines the data to be sent in a multi-part /form data request. This is the standard way to upload files using HTTP. The key file field is the name of the form field for the file. The value is a tuple, file name, data, content _ type. File name, the name of the file, as it will appear on the server. Data, the file content, read as bytes. Content _ type, the MIME type of the file, example text/plain, image/JPEG. Other field, some value, you can include other form fields along with the file. Response _ data files, the hpbin.org/post endpoint returns the uploaded file data in the file's key of the JSON response. 5. Advanced features. Timeouts. Set timeouts to prevent your script from hanging indefinitely if a server is slow to respond. Retries. Configure retries to automatically retry requests that fail due to temporary network issues or server errors. Retry, total equals 3, sets the maximum number of retries to 3. Backoff _factor equals 0.1, adds a delay between retries, 0.1 seconds, then 0.2, then 0.4, etc. Status _forCellist equals 500, 502, 503, 504, specifies the HTTP status codes that should trigger a retry, example server errors. Proxy support. Use urllib3 through a proxy server. HTTPS verification, SSL/TLS. By default, urllib3 verifies the SSL/TLS certificates of HTTPS connections. This is important for security. If you need to disable certificate verification, example for testing with self-signed certificates, you can do so, but it's generally discouraged in production environments. Warning: disabling certificate verification makes your application vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks. Only disable it if you have a very good reason and understand the risks. To use a specific CA certificate bundle. Streaming responses. For large files, you can stream the response data instead of loading it all into memory at once. Preload _ content equals false, prevents urllib3 from loading the entire response into memory. Response.stream, 16384, returns a generator that yields the response data in chunks of 16 KB. Response.release _ con, releases the connection back to the pool when you're done. This is important to do when using preload _ content equals false. 6. Error handling, detailed. urllib3 raises various exceptions that you should handle appropriately. urllib3.exceptions.max retry error, raised when the maximum number of retries is exceeded. This usually means the server is unreachable or consistently failing. urllib3.exceptions.timeout error, raised when a request times out. This indicates that the server is taking too long to respond. urllib3.exceptions.connection error, raised for general connection errors. urllib3.exceptions.protocol error, raised for errors in the HTTP protocol. urllib3.exceptions.ssl error, raised for SSL/TLS errors. urllib3.exceptions.read timeout error, a read timeout occurred. *urllib3.exceptions.proxy a problem occurred while connecting to the proxy. Remember to catch these exceptions in your code and handle them gracefully. For example, you might want to log the error, retry the request, if appropriate, or display an error message to the user. 7. Common scenarios and tips. Working with APIs. urllib3 is often used to interact with APIs. Remember to set the content type header correctly, example application/JSON, when sending data to the API. Also, be sure to handle API authentication, example using API keys in headers. Web scraping. While urllib3 can be used for web scraping, it's often more convenient to use a higher level library like requests or beautiful soup for this purpose. These libraries provide more features specifically designed for web scraping, such as HTML parsing and handling cookies. Logging. Enable logging to get more information about what urllib3 is doing. This can be helpful for debugging. Keep alive connections. urllib3 automatically uses HTTP keep alive to reuse connections, which improves performance. The pool manager handles this transparently. Headers. Setting request headers is very common. You can pass them as a dictionary to the headers parameter in the http.request method. 8. Alternatives to urllib3. While urllib3 is a powerful and flexible library, there are other popular options for making HTTP requests in Python. Requests. Built on top of urllib3, requests provides a higher level API that is often easier to use. It's very popular for its simplicity and features. It's generally recommended for most use cases. IOTP. For asynchronous HTTP requests, IOTP is a good choice. It's built on top of Asyncio. Conclusion. urllib3 is a versatile library for making HTTP requests in Python. It offers a lot of control over connection pooling, retries, timeouts, and other aspects of HTTP communication. By understanding the concepts and examples in this tutorial, you should be well equipped to use urllib3 effectively in your Arch Linux projects. Remember to use virtual environments to manage dependencies and handle errors gracefully. For many common use cases, especially for beginners, the requests library may provide a simpler and more convenient interface. However, urllib3 gives you more fine-grained control when you need it. Good luck.